Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Vivek Saurav and you are watching. First of all, wishing you a very happy new year to all of you. May this year brings many success and happiness to you and your families. From 2016, I have been waiting for this year because this year is really very special for me. It's because I'm going to get my diploma on this year in June if everything is okay. We have 10 days holidays all around Russia because here we celebrate Christmas on 7th January. So right now I'm going to buy 3 Christmas cap for us because we wanted that vibes, means like wearing caps and then celebrating. We have not done this before. Sad to say that I did not get any Christmas caps because I guess every Russians bought them, and I went 3 shops out here, none of them had a single cap. So I think so that dream is left incomplete. We'll go to Galaxy and we'll do some clothes shopping out there for New Year. We are hungry because we didn't eat anything for morning. We'll be eating something in the Galaxy. Let's see what we eat. So we came here to take photos.
हुसैन सेंटा का नाक साफ कर दीजिए, नाक में उंगली डालिए.
They are all taking pictures. I just came to change the battery of this watch. It's not working and I came here in this shop. They told that if you want good battery, that will cost you around 800 and the best one will cost you around 1200. I'm doing some clothes shopping. I just tried this and it's looking good, so I'm thinking to buy. See about this 2 color. Let's try. क्या पूछ रही है पैसा लेगा फोटो खिंचाने का. हाँ लेता है.
Very tired.
We just ordered McDonald's. She bought sanitizer for me. Now we are done with our Christmas shopping and we are going to our hostel. This is the circus out here, so small.
Yeah, Russian circus is famous, but in Russia circus is so small.
We have a plan to prepare some chicken and rice like plow. We are not sure even we can prepare biryani also. This is what we have prepared for New Year. Out here the people celebrate, means they gather in one place and they burst crackers and sing songs. From 5 years we was always planning to come here in this place, but due to some other reasons we could not come. But this time we have decided anyhow this is our last year, so we'll go and see that how it's celebrated. We are on time. Time is 11:54. can enter from here, but you cannot know from where to exit. It's going to be 12 o'clock in 3 minutes, and people have gathered out here. Santa Claus here, huh?
Santa Claus से पूरा डर था कहाँ जा रहे हो सब? And Novi को तो भाग गया.
मतलब अपना Christmas का value ही नहीं है. No, these are what kind of pillars I don't know, but it's looking beautiful. 1 minute left. I think so. The time is wrong.
Their time is wrong. No, they started before
That
only.
is correct. खत्म.
बस इतना ही. हम भी वही सोच रहे थे. रशिया में तो रशियन बोलना पड़ेगा क्या? सॉरी, नोवी गोद न्यू ईयर के बदले.
नहीं चलेगा, किसी को समझ ही नहीं आया, कोई हमको उल्टा विश भी नहीं किया. इतना ठंडी में ये फटाका फट भी जाता है, ये बहुत बड़ा बात है. अपने यहाँ इंडिया में उसको धूप में सुखाते हैं तब तक.
हुसैन, एक और नाक पूछिए. हुसैन, हुसैन, टिश्यू पेपर निकालिए.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
चलो वहाँ मजा आएगा. चलो 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 मजा आएगा.
मुझको तो ऐसा लगा चिकनी चमेली लगा दी. There are so many places to slide, like 1, 2, 3, 4. What I bought with me? Hari Talwar. And the function of this is Hussein will show.
बम पे हुसैन, यहाँ पे बम फिसल जाएंगे हुसैन. तो कुछ ज्यादा ही स्लाइड मार लेते हो. तुम तो एक्सट्रीम लेवल पहुंच गए. Oh no! Sorrow!
Come on, Dee, fast. After this, we'll go. फिर से पीछे छूट गया वो.
Very good job.
Now we are going back to our hostel, and I'm very excited as well as very much hungry to eat because we shouted too much out here in the crowd, and now we are. If you guys like my videos, then please don't forget to give a like, and even don't forget to subscribe also. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next vlog. It's freezing cold out here, so it's better to wear this cap, and I'm not visible.